Common mistakes to avoid in a tenancy agreement. The British Landlords Association understands the importance of a well-drafted tenancy agreement in establishing a clear and mutually beneficial relationship between landlords and tenants. A comprehensive tenancy agreement protects both parties' rights and interests and helps avoid unnecessary disputes and conflicts throughout the tenancy period. Please hit the red icon to subscribe to our channel to keep updated with the latest landlord news and practices. In this article, we aim to highlight some common mistakes landlords in England make when drafting tenancy agreement documents and provide valuable insights and solutions to ensure your agreement stands out as a reliable and comprehensive legal document. Insufficient property description. A crucial mistake many landlords make is providing an inadequate property description within the tenancy agreement. It is essential to include detailed information about the property, such as amenities and what utilities are included. Also important to state if the property is furnished or unfurnished. Inadequate terms and conditions. Another common mistake in tenancy agreements is the absence of comprehensive terms and conditions. It is crucial to clearly outline landlords' and tenants' rights and obligations to avoid confusion and disputes. Here are some key areas to address. Rent payment and due dates. Specify the rent amount, frequency of payments, and preferred payment method. Clearly state the due dates and any penalties for late payments to maintain a smooth and transparent financial arrangement. Maintenance and repairs. Clearly define the responsibilities of both parties regarding property maintenance and repairs. For example, specify which party is responsible for certain tasks, such as regular maintenance, repairs, and replacements of appliances. Notes and repair obligations by default are a landlord's responsibility. Tenant responsibilities. Include a section detailing tenant responsibilities, such as keeping the property clean, reporting damages promptly, and adhering to any applicable rules or regulations set by the landlord. Termination and renewal. Outline the conditions and notice periods required for terminating the tenancy agreement and procedures for renewal or extension. Providing clarity in these areas will help avoid confusion and potential legal issues. Note the Renters Reform Bill, once introduced, may have some impact on tenancy renewal. Lack of proper documentation. One mistake that can lead to complications is failing to include essential supporting documents and the tenancy agreement. These documents serve as evidence and provide additional legal protection for both parties involved. Some necessary documents to consider include the following. Inventory checklist. Prepare an inventory checklist that documents the property's condition, including fixtures, furniture, and appliances, before the tenancy begins. Both parties should review and sign this document to avoid disputes regarding damages during the tenancy period. The inventory checklist download is free from the British Landlords Association website. Deposit protection scheme. If you require a security deposit, ensure compliance with the relevant deposit protection scheme regulations. Include the necessary information and provide the prescribed scheme leaflet to the tenant, which outlines their rights and the deposit protection process. Failure to comply with legal requirements. Many landlords unknowingly neglect legal requirements, which can lead to serious consequences. Familiarize yourself with the housing laws and regulations to ensure compliance. Some crucial legal aspects to consider. Gas and electrical safety. Comply with gas and electrical safety regulations by conducting regular inspections and obtaining the necessary certifications. Include relevant certificates and safety records in the tenancy agreement package. Right to rent checks. You must carry out the necessary checks to see if the tenant is entitled to rent a property in the UK. Ensure that you carry out proper credit checks and referencing before offering a tenancy to a tenant.